Oh, no, it's so live. Now we just do it. Today, with the boy Jaden, he go and hit the tricep burner routine. There's a routine we just hit. Very short, simple, but guaranteed to rip out, burn up that tricep. If you think we lying, stay tuned and watch. Like it. It's simple. Starting with 10 push-ups, 10 diamond push-ups, 10 tiger bend push-ups, 20 seated dips, and then the secret formula after. I can tell all of that, all of have to wait and see with the secret formula. There we go. No rest in between, everything one after the other.
Pace yourself, lock out, squeeze your triceps.
10 push-ups.
Very good, it's so nice.
2, 1. There you go. 1,
Nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 diamond push.
10 diamond push now, there you go.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Nice.
Tiger bend push. You go down on your
Squeeze out on the triceps.
Come up.
There you go.
Put your hand
Nah,
on
feel it, yeah, put your arm more forward.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, like that.
yeah, keep your body back.
Should be easier on it.
Come up. 1,
Feel shape it more forward. There you go. 2, 3,
1.
4.
Take a breather in between.
Put your hand more forward.
Yeah, that's it.
You're too close, yeah. Pedal alpha, yeah, like that. So
Yeah.
it'll be easier.
Okay, more forward.
Yeah, to make sure lock out
Hard,
your
stretch more forward.
Yeah.
Both sides and see hard, right?
Yeah. Alright, strong triceps still in there now.
Yeah. Yeah. All legged. Yeah. Yeah.
5,
6, 7, 8. 2 more. There you go. Squeeze them triceps. 9. 1 more. Lock in. 10. Nice.
20 seated
20
dips.
seated dips.
When you're doing the seated dips, you do it
Pace
a bit
yourself.
fast. Now you're doing this one a bit fast.
Oh.
So then,
Just make sure to lock out and squeeze.
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
There you go. Time for the forbidden workout.
Go.
Go up on the
Killer.
thing. Stand up on it. Drag it back.
You're wrapping out.
Pull on the rapid so till failure.
Does you feel?
2, 1, there you go. What?
Once you feel, switch on and keep doing that.
Switch up.
There you go. There, you can't go.
Lift it. Try lift
Yeah, start from up here. Yeah. Hey.
Try the next one. The triceps burner. Come on, get one. The goal is to get one right up here. You got it, feel at it. Try again.
You done the. Yeah, there you go.
Triceps was finished before you even start. What you're supposed to do, come up here and pump it so till failure. So you can see after all that, you can even gain and rep here. That's how dread this routine is. So to try, what I call it tricep, but that tricep finisher. Next time we'll see if you can reach the forbidden technique that we call the forbidden technique. Few could venture in that technique, but you know we just do it. Until next time.
Yo.